In this video, I'll show you the side jacking points on your Toyota. This works on the Prius C, like the one I have, but also the Sienna, the Tacoma, Camry, whatever. It's all the same. All you have to do is to look right under here, and you'll see right over there, you see there's two small ridges. Well, you need to put the jack right in the middle of those two ridges. So let me show you. So place it approximately where you think it's the middle. You can always move it around if it's not perfectly centered. And yeah, you can just raise it with your hand at first. With your fingers, I mean. Like this. And when you can't turn it anymore with your fingers, you just need to get the tool that's coming in the kit that has the small hook, and you'll be able to raise it further to be able to jack the car on one side. There is also the other jack point on the side of the car, which is closer to the rear. The same thing, there are two ridges on the side. Just place it right in the middle there. I hope this video was useful. If so, please leave a like and yeah, even comment. I'll see you in the next one.